Good morning everyone, I hope you're doing well. So for today's video, I will be introducing to you a new product that will be launched exclusively next week. It's the KOSPET Prime 4G smartwatch phone. It's one of a kind smartwatch. It has one of the biggest life battery. So I will tell you some stats. So it can last up to 168 hours on a standby time. It can last as well up to 72 hours on a continuous music playback. And all of this, it takes only 2 hours to charge. So you guys, a unique thing about this watch is that it has a Face ID. It can lock in 0.1 second. Let me show you guys how it goes. As you can see, now the watch just unlocked. Another thing about this watch is a 1.6-inch screen with a precise click, as you can see here. A sharp HD display. You can see clearly. So a unique thing about this watch as well is that it has a dual camera feature. One in the front and one on the side. You can see here, so when you go into the camera section here, so it shows you guys the side, and you can switch here by clicking here, and then you got the front camera. This dual camera feature can allow you to make a voice call or a phone call or a video call without the burden of having your cell phone. Last thing but not least, this smartwatch phone can allow you to make phone calls. We can insert here in the back, you can insert a nano SIM card so that you can make voice calls as well without using your cell phone. So this is all about this unique smartwatch that will be launched exclusively next Monday. I hope you guys liked it.